So if you have any interest of our machines, you are welcome to leave a message on Alibaba Messenger. We would like to send you more pictures and more working videos and the specification of our products. Okay, hello Sergio, welcome to our live show. I will send you our catalog for your reference. Okay, so in the video you can see this is our hot sealing model, our DSG250. This model sells quite well, and all the feedback of this model is quite well. Okay, and if you have a little know about our factory and our products, you may know our DSS8, our mass production hose crimping machines. And the box of our DSG250 is a little higher than our DSS8. So that's why we always call our DSG250 high box machine.